Okay, wrapping up this thing. This is the end, number 4. And what I did here was I basically did what I described in the last video, only I didn't tell you how many times to wind that pulley. I wound mine exactly 4.5 revolutions counterclockwise, just as I showed you in the previous one. And so that was just enough to allow this thing to recoil. And this is not the stock handle. The stock handle was a lot smaller, and my dog chewed it half away, so I replaced it with this one. This is something that I had just laying around. It came off a pull start of a Briggs & Stratton lawnmower, and it's better because it's soft rubber, and so it doesn't, the previous one, the stock one, had a surface on here that fit right in that little hole, and it sealed it off, and when you let go, it went and sat in there perfectly. But I don't have that one anymore. I have this one. Anyway, it's nice and tight, or I should say tight enough so that it recoils, and it's got enough spring in it, that residual spring tension, that it'll hold it. And my string, the rope that I cut, was 37 inches in length, and that more than made the difference, accounting for the knots that I tied. So it worked well for me, and I hope if you see this video and you have the same problem that I did, I hope this helps. Thank you. Have a good afternoon. Bye.